Sharad, even your character, we see.
Yeah, my equation is very good with family and
He's such a family man.
Very, very
a
Baba.
Yeah, he would do anything
the
for
cute
his
son.
family.
I have a wife, so everything is so
He's sorted.
No, but we usually these days we see antagonists. We see them first, and then we go into their backstory. With yours, we start with that backstory, and then we
Are you planning to reveal everything?
No,
Yeah, that's what.
I mean,
If you
सब
are,
बता
no,
दो,
no,
सब-
please give us,
देखा है.
सारे
give
सारे
a
पत्ते खोल दे तू
heads
यहीं
up
पर.
to us.
Don't give away the end though.
I haven't seen it, so maybe
He's
that
planning
was
to
their
reveal
strategy.
everything.
But because it's how much did that backstory help you in etching your character?
Obviously, there's a reasoning, there's a logic behind it. There's a backstory which, which we reveal in the first scene
Yeah.
only.
Yeah.
So people also will relate to him, ki why he is like that or how he become what he is right now. So I think that's a interesting way of putting character in front of you. And it's very nicely shot, so people will get a little bit of surprise also.
Yeah.
Sharad's part is very nicely shot. Out of Mumbai.
Out of India, man.
Oh, sorry, Baba. Out of India.
You guys are all
You
in
shot
India, na?
in poor cities.
Poor.
And I've only seen it till the second episode.
आप बस सब
thankfully.
बता दो. एक काम करो, सब बता दो.
But I know that there's something fishy going on.
Fishy.
Fishy or
With
cooking?
your
Cooking.
character.
Something's cooking.
Fishy.
Generally very fishy in the
Yeah.
show.
But which just it's a general question, not in context of the show. But when you're playing, say, a morally ambiguous character,
Is it morally ambiguous?
I don't know.
Oh, is
Oh,
it?
I didn't know.
Wow.
Was it? I don't know.
Acha.
I haven't seen
If you
anything.
play a morally ambiguous character,
You're saying that. I'm not sure.
is there always something telling you at the back of my mind that I also need to show it as, well, it's not fashionable that I'm doing this. It's also something.
Fashionable. See, as an actor, you don't think that.
Yeah.
As an actor, all characters are characters. And their journey, you just have to embrace it. And अब मेरे character का क्या journey रहा है वो तो अब आपको 14 जनवरी को ही आप सबको देखने मिलेगा. मैं ज़्यादा leak out नहीं करूँगी. But I can only say that Priya has a lot of surprises, my character. So get ready to get surprised. And get ready to go on a roller coaster ride and fly high.
पूरा turbulence वाली flight है.
बहुत ज़्यादा turbulence होगी तो seat belt कृपया लगा कर बैठे.
I also asked that because we've seen it with your career. I mean, the ghost of you doing all the Vishesh films, it's still chasing you, even though you've completely ventured out of that so many times and proven your mettle also. Does that bother you anymore?
No, it's not chasing
He's-
me.
he's
I mean,
still
it's
doing
very
Vishesh films.
inherent
Yeah, yeah.
part of my career, and it's not something that I kind of run away from. You got to own up to everything you do, and there are no regrets, and the audience loves you for it, so it's fine. It's all right. They also appreciate the kind of different things you do as an actor, and they appreciate the more tailor-made characters which you were saying, which were the commercial spinners. So be it, it's fine. And I know yesterday at the press conference those jokes were cracked, but that's all in jest. I think that I love it because those are iconic characters, and if the audience loves you for that, then it's a very proud moment.
So, is that why you go back to doing an Avarapan again?
No, that's not the reason I go back to do Avarapan. It's because you hit upon a good script. I'm not doing Avarapan because it's nostalgia. This film was actually been planned for the past 7 years. We just happened to stumble upon a script. We were holding off from a sequel, but when we saw, we read a script which was taking Shivam's journey ahead, and we got into it. It's not to cash in on the. We have done that in the past. it's and a lot of people have been kind of party to that. But the thing is, we have to eventually see that cinema right now, it's audiences have become so smart and so perceptive, and social media is such a tricky affair. You can't be disingenuous with anything. You have a good script, you have the heart in the right place, and you make a good film. That's all it is. You don't have to go down, let's make a sequel for the sake of it. No.
And I'm sure all his fans will not matter. I mean, will not say कि नहीं आप आवारापन मत करो, आप
No,
करो.
no. It's the other way around. They'll say, "Ab Avarapan hi karo."